Hello everyone. In last lecture we have discussed about how to simplify the Boolean expression using M+K or the tabular method. Now today we'll see one more example. The question is asked, simplify the following expression using Queen M+K method. And the minterms given here are summation of M 0, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 13. First step is binary representation. Represent in the binary form M0, M1, M2, M3, M6, M7, M8, M10, M12 and M13. Binary representation is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 0, 1. This is the binary representation for given minterms. Second step is grouping based on ones. Now groups, make a groups M0, M0, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 ones. Next one M2, 0, 0, 1, 0, then M8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 ones. Third group M3, M6, M10 and M12 with the binary representation 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 0, 0. Third group with M7 and M13. 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0, 1. 3 ones. After a grouping, now my third step is make in pairs. Third step I will write down here. Third step, compare and pair. Now after making comparison with each mean term, each group with the second higher term, each mean term with the second higher term, M8 will be compared with M3, M7, M8 and M12. We'll get the groupings like this. M0, M2, binary representation is 0, 0, dash 0. Compare and pair and replace the pairs with the changing bit with the dash. Then M0, M8, then dash 0, 0, 0. Third group is M2, M3. M2, M3 is 0, 0, 1 and dash. Next one is M2 M6. M2 M6 will be 0 dash 1 0. Then M2 M10. M2 M10 will be dash 0 1 0. Next one M8 and M10. I can make a comparison, and the minterms in binary representation will be 0 dash 0. Similarly, we have M8 M12 with the representation 1 dash 0 0. Next one M3 M7 with the 0 dash 1 1. Then M6 M7 with the 0 1 1 dash, and M12 M13 with the 1 1 0 dash. The minterms which came in this grouping, these are the implicant parts. So we have to put a tick mark in front of all these minterms. Now all these minterms are present in the grouping. So I have made a tick mark. Now the next step is grouping continued by comparing each minterm with the next one. Now here it is the first group, second group, then third group, and so on. There are 3 groups. Now my next step is again continue the grouping. Fourth step. Now again compare M0, M2 with the next higher group, next higher group, next higher group. Again M0, M8 with this and with this. Similarly M2, M3 will be compared with this one, second one, and so on. Now after performing all these groupings, now pairs like this. My first pair will be M0, M2, M8 and M10. As M0, M2, M8 and M10 is into the group, now I am going to add. As a tick mark. Similarly, the binary representation of this is dash 0 is representing variables A, B, C, D. Next pair is M0, M8 with the M2 and M10. M0, M8 with the M2 and M10. And the bits representing are dash dash 0. Now the second group M2, M3 can be compared with all the remaining pairs, and the comparison is done. M2, M3 is M6, M6, M7 with only one bit change and represented as 0 dash 1 dash. Next pair will be M2, M6, M3, M7. M6, M7 is into the pair, M2, M3 is into the pair, so I am putting the tick mark. M0, M8 is into the tick mark. Now M3, M7. M7 is into the pair, so put the tick mark and replace the bits with the 0 dash 1 dash. Now my next group is M8, M11, 12. Now is the grouping is possible here. M2, M6 is again into the grouping. M2, 10 is into the grouping. M8, M12. Now M8, M12 is not into the comparison and not came into the pair. So there is no tick mark. As there is no tick mark, we have to take the pair is. we have to take a pair as it is and the bits in the binary representation like this 1-00. Similarly, M12, M13 is not having a tick mark, so carry forward it as it is M12, M13 and the binary representation is 110 dash. Now find out the prime implicants. Now the prime implicants will be P bar, then here it is A bar C, here it is A C bar D bar and A B C bar. After finding the prime implicants, now my next step is create a prime implicant table. Create prime implicant table. Now to create the prime implicant table, now I am writing here the prime implicants, decimal, digits and given prime implicants. Now the prime implicants are B bar D bar, next one A bar C, next A C bar D bar and A B C bar, which are representing by the decimal numbers 0, 2, 8, 10, 2, 13, 6 and 7. Sorry, it is a 3. Next one 8, 12, then 12 and 13. Now take the given minterms M0, M2, M3, M6, M7, M8, M10, 12 and 13 and put a cross marks 0 cross mark, 2 cross mark, 8 and 10. Similarly for the second minterm 2, then 3, 6 and 7. Next one is 8 and 12. Third one is 12 and 13. 12 and 13. Now check which are the unique minterms. Now to find out the unique minterms. Unique minterms are circle together. Find out the unique minterms. This is M0, M3, M6, M7, then M13. Now the unique minterms are representing by B bar D bar plus A bar C plus A B C bar. Now this is the final simplified expression. Thank you all of you.